Chapter 19, Part 4. We're going to look at the word servir that has a lot of different meanings depending on the form that it's in and the preposition that's being used. So servir is to serve, and that can be to serve someone, to serve some cookies, um, and we would simply have puis-je to servir. So remember, puis is one of the forms of it can be puj or puis for the first person singular. This is inversion for a question. May I serve you? Puis te servir? May I serve you? Now, then we have servir à. So we've got the preposition à, not a transitive verb, to be used for or to be good for. Ça ne sert à rien. So here we've got servir à. The stem in the singular is just ser. And we have ça, this serves, and then ne rien for nothing. So this is good for nothing, or this is not good for anything, or it's useless. Ça ne sert à rien. Here we've got a question. À quoi ça sert? Literally, to what does it serve? What is it good for? Because servir à something that serves us some purpose is kind of like what it's asking, meaning what is it good for? Now we can also have servir de, and that means to be used as, or to be used for, or to take the place of. So the idea of one thing's serving as something else. Les tables servent de bureau. So the tables are used as desks. Servir de means that they're being used as something else. Then we have that's servir de, but here, se servir de means to use or to make use of, and not necessarily in a positive sense. Il se sert de toi. He's using you. He's taking advantage of you. Voici un dictionnaire. Il faut s'en servir. Here's a dictionary. It is necessary, and then s'en servir, that's se servir plus a de expression, referring to a dictionary. It'll mean it's necessary to use it. So to use in a regular consumption sense. So that's the verb servir. Now, a similar verb is santir, which also has a number of meanings. Now, when it's a transitive verb, it means to feel, to sense, or to smell of something. To feel something, to sense something, to smell something, or to smell of something. In the intransitive sense, it's se sentir, and that means to feel. So here's some examples. Je sens les fleurs. So like servir, the stem for the singular is just the first three letters. So je sens les fleurs. I'm smelling the flowers. Il sent le poids de sa culpabilité. Now, this isn't he's smelling the weight of his culpability. He feels the weight of his guilt. So sentir can mean to feel, to sense, or to smell, or smell of something. Le fromage sentait mauvais. The cheese smelled bad. And here we have the reflexive il se sent inutile. So this is feeling yourself to be something. He feels useless. So here's some examples. Try to sort through these verbs servir and sentir and their different forms. Write down their translations and check them with the next video.